I'll start my diet tomorrow. No, really, I will. Ninh explains increased motivation, how to be motivated to do anything. It's perfectly normal to lack motivation from time to time. We humans are programmed to find the easiest and stress-free way of doing things. However, sometimes this can lead us to do absolutely nothing. Don't believe me? Take a look around you. There are fat people who have been trying to, quote-unquote, lose weight for years. There are ugly people who avoid basic personal hygiene. There are lazy people living in their own filth because they can't be bothered tidying up. Are all these people idiots? The answer is no. They just learned to think in a demotivated way. Wait, what? Let me explain. Throughout my self-help videos, you've probably noticed the thought cycle that I've been teaching. Thoughts influence feelings or emotions, which influence behaviors. In the case of motivation, we can add attitudes at the bottom. So thoughts influence feelings or emotions, which influence your attitude, which influence your behavior. Now, someone who isn't motivated to do anything is going through this exact thought process. And we'll use this guy as an example. Now, this guy is probably thinking that, I want to lose weight and go on a diet. But he's probably also thinking that, junk food tastes better than real food. And because of that, his attitude is something like, I'll start my diet tomorrow. And then lo and behold, he ends up eating all of this crap. People who are lacking in motivation follow this exact thought process. So have a look at what you're demotivated to do and see if that looks familiar. You'll probably find that it does. So how do you become motivated then? If you haven't already guessed, it's about changing these two, thoughts and feelings. And these two have to completely agree with each other, because if these two are ever in conflict or if they contradict themselves, it's usually the feelings and emotions that win through. And if you're thinking negatively or you're thinking, I can't be bothered, that's going to win over your thought process and it affects the rest of the cycle. So change these two. Make sure that these two agree with each other. With thoughts and feelings, you'll formulate an attitude, which will then change your behaviors. I want to lose weight, and I'd probably feel a lot better if I didn't eat this stuff. So I don't want to be putting this crap in my body anymore, so I'm not going to eat that anymore, and I'm probably just going to exercise instead. This is the general process that you'll need to go to in order to motivate yourself to do anything. You can fool your mind into thinking that you can do absolutely anything. And you can. You've just got to know how your mind works before you make it do the things that you want it to. Great, so now I can do anything I want. Hold on there, hotshot. Sometimes that's not enough to get you to be motivated to do stuff. There's a few other things that might help you forge a mind that is motivated to do anything. Why do you want to do it? Find your why. What's your why? Why do you want to do it? Find your why, and motivation becomes a lot easier. Change your beliefs. Some people believe that whatever they're trying to achieve, that it's not possible, or they think that they can't do it. I'm no good at it. Well, if you keep thinking like that, you will limit yourself. So if you come across these thoughts in your head, start changing those beliefs. Start changing what you believe in. You're a human being after all. You can change your mind. Make life easier for yourself. It's easier to go on a diet if your house isn't filled with junk food. It's easier to take care of your appearance if you've got the right products next to you. If you make things easier to do, chances are that it's going to be less difficult and you will actually do them. Have decent goals and see progress. If it's not important for you to achieve, or if it's too easy, you won't be motivated to actually do it. It's not worth anything. So aim high, have lofty goals, but make sure that they are achievable. Nothing is as demotivating as pouring heart and soul and putting in effort and seeing absolutely no results. So make sure that you acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for a job well done. Preferably not with that, especially if you're on a diet. If you found this video at all helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Be sure to visit my website, download my ebook, follow me on social media, and if you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Remember, us humans are designed to find us humans, remember, us humans, good God, this stuff is disgusting. I mean, seriously, guys, I've been on a bit of a health kick over the last month or so, and eating stuff like this, it really just tastes like cardboard. How do people eat this stuff?